pass my condolences and my government's condolences to the victims and the injured. It was quite unfortunate for those who lost their lives. I know families are crying. Some are parents, some are kids. I've seen them injured. So we stand with you during this hard time. There are 8 deaths. 8 walifariki. Some are on the scene, and about 2 or 3 at the hospital. There are 8 admitted at the moment, 5 of them in ICU. We are planning to transfer about 2 of them who have head injuries to specialized neurosurgery. 3 of them are being handled. They have several body injuries, fractures, but those ones can be handled at the Nyamira Referral Hospital. As our government, we stand with the families who have lost their loved ones and whose members are admitted at the hospital. And form a small committee which will be liaising with the affected families so that we see how we can work together. In short, we stand with them 100%.